Unboxing ulit tayo ng delivery from Amazon. So, I just get it a couple hours ago while I was working in the farm making my garlic bed garden. So, this is the last delivery for my order for making bar soap. Just leave that one. So, this one is a bigger box. So, I'm not sure what this one here. And they put it together. My wrist is painful because of the, I don't know. You know guys, the problem here, I was working in the farm and I feel it. So let's check this one. What's in it? Oh, so another bar soap base is organic also. Oh, honey bar soap base. See guys, honey. Because I'm gonna make a honey lemon bar soap also. So this is the honey. I'm gonna put it back there, and we're gonna do the next box. I think this one is a complete set for for the making bar soap, the hulmahan, or where you gonna put the liquid. Wow, it's beautiful package, guys. Look at that. Best wishes ang nakalagay, ha. Soap making kit. So it's a soap making kit, guys. See? Ayan, oh. Soap making kit. So, you're gonna see it. Uy, ang bigat! It's so heavy. Ayan, oh, best wishes pa nakalagay. Oh, see guys. Soap making kit. So, you're just gonna remove this. I don't wanna break the ribbon. I like the ribbon. It says best wishes. Instead of good luck, it says best wishes. So, nakakapagawa na ako guys ng aking bar soap soon. There you go. All the hulmahan, the silicone, and you know, round one for making bar soap. Wow, this is different design, guys. So, for making bar soap. And the essential oils also is here. Oh my god. And this is the cutter for bar soap. And the cutter that has design. Diba? So, this is the plain one. And this, oh wow. Because I ordered the, you know, the complete set. The deluxe set. The deluxe set. Sorry. And I have a paper bag. It's bar soap that I'm gonna make. Bango. Sarap ng amoy. And they have also glycerin. Oh, wow. For the beginner. Oh. This is really good. And, oh. Wow. What is this one? This is a lot. Oh, I see. So, this is ingredients. It's like, you know, the essential oils. And this is for, you know, the bar soap. That's silicone hulmahan. And this is another hulmahan. Oh, wow. And this is the, you know, the handmade tag. Thank you. It says thank you. So, yeah, I'm gonna use this for sure. And this is another hulmahan. See guys, parts of hulmahan. See? Oh. How you use this one? Oh, there's a measurement here. So there's a measurement. Ah, this is nice. I'm just wondering how I'm gonna do that. Oh, maybe this one I'm gonna put in here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this one, it has to be inside of this. Now I know. See, guys, I find it. And the plastics that I'm gonna use for bar soap. And there's a labeling here. It's beautiful. Oh. Wow, it's truly beautiful, guys. See, it's a complete set. And shea butter. They have shea butter also. Wow, this is amazing. And this is the pot that you're gonna use it for heating up the ingredients for the bar soap. So, and the spoon is, you know, it's bamboo. So, it's all organic, guys, the ingredients. Wow, this is really good. So, good luck to me. Wish me luck for the bar soap. See, guys, ang ganda. So now, this is my starting kit for making bar soap. And I still have manual. See? They send me a manual also. So this is a deluxe kit, guys. It's expensive. It's over $100. US dollars, guys. So yeah. It's amazing. So I'm gonna start my making bar soap soon. Hopefully I can start tomorrow after making my garden. And yeah, I think this is a complete set, guys, for making bar soap for the beginner. I like this one. See, different sizes. It's nice though. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this one. Oh, this is a cutter. I see. So it's like a cutter, yeah. So this is a measurement for a cutter, guys. Here, when you're gonna cut. Huh. That's nice. So I have a measurement here. Wow. And I have different sizes for a bar soap. I think I'm gonna use all this one. You know, for giveaways, I'm gonna use this one. So yung mga a-attend sa aking handaan sa December 6, makaka-receive ng giveaways na organic dandelion soap. And inside of it's essential oils inside of this that can put a flavoring smells, different smells. But I like only lavender. I order already lavender, so I like that one. It's good, calming lavender. And the box yesterday, this one. See, guys, this the part one of my YouTube video. Facebook I posted yesterday. So this is the other ingredients to continue making a bar soap. And this is what I'm gonna use: organic lavender essential oils for the organic dandelion bar soap. I'm so happy for this one. I like this one kasi meron siyang flower design. Hindi mo siya kita dito. You cannot see here, but you can see it here. Flower design. And I think this is the cup that you're gonna use for measuring. Ang bango. And I like the round one too. Wow. That's why it's so heavy. And this one, it's only few. I'm not sure if this, I think only 25 pieces. So I might gonna order more of this online. Wow. So guys, I have a lot of work to do now. So many work to do. Keeps me busy. There you go. That's all the beginner set. It's a complete set for making bar soap, including the soap base. And the flavor, the scents, and the unscent and scent are all here.